Hi guys, welcome back to another devlog for Roy. We only got a couple of updates this time, so for those of you who have been following the stream, we got Twitter. He automatically posts to Twitter every 10 comments, which is great. So we're going to go through that today, and Roy is getting a girlfriend named Amanda who posts to YouTube, and we'll also talk about where we're going with that project and how far along we are with it. So let's get right into it. So to start with Twitter, we had to, of course, go through the Twitter API. We got our imports, just some basic stuff, importing info, the API for Twitter, and something that doesn't even matter to this because it doesn't work. This is just defining all my keys, obviously, and then setting up my Twitter. So det is emojis. Doesn't work at the slightest because my code is not very good. You see, it counts for emojis, and it returns if there's an emoji, which is dumb, and I don't know why I built it this way, and it's simple to optimize. Don't code like this. So we got shorten. As many people know, you have to shorten tweets down to, I don't know, 280 characters, I guess. So basically, this goes through pretty simple. I have a string that's comments, and then all the characters, and then for every character in comments, I add it to it, and then while the length is over 280, I pop the end of it, and then I return, I make the return tweet, which is just what I'm going to return, and then for chars, if emoji is char, obviously this doesn't work, it'll add the character, and it'll tweet it. So, and then finally, right, we print the tweet just for testing purposes, and then we return. And then tweet is pretty simple. Comment isn't last comment, something we do basically everywhere. I make a new comment, I update status with new comment, and I print the tweeted stuff. So let's take a look. Here's Roy's Twitter. You got some great stuff right here. Don't make me die. Listexia is okay, whatever that means. And it just says Roy's thoughts, and it tweets it, so it's really simple, and the Twitter API was fairly easy to work with, so if you're looking into it, good luck. So here's the next project we're laying into. Amanda, Roy's girlfriend. Basically what Amanda's going to do is it's going to look at the trending songs on YouTube's music page, take their captions as a text file, and then read them as text-to-speech on a YouTube video with some sort of background, something to keep your eyes on things. I don't know. We'll get to that when we get to that. So, the YouTube API and the Google API overall is very hard to work with, and I hate it very much, because every time you're trying to work, you get this weird authentication screen, for obvious reasons, but it's just not fun to work with. It's some pretty complicated and annoying stuff at first, but eventually you get used to it, which is you import your stuff, you open your environments and your services name. But here's the real meat of it. So getting ID, so we need to get the video caption ID. So this is a test video I've just been using for now from Samo Nilla, a great YouTuber, very funny YouTuber. Basically all this does is it gets the caption from the video, it makes a request getting the caption, and then it executes that, and then prints that it prints the items 0 ID, which is just the ID, and then returns it, and then that sends it right over to download track, which is just over here, request equals captions download ID equals string ID, and then fh equals your file wb, and then yeah, it just finishes through this stuff. I basically copy and pasted this from the Google website, so if you're interested in using the Google API, just copy their code and then edit it, because otherwise it's really hard, and some of the videos are a little hard to understand. Roy's laser is coming along, for those of you who are wondering. It is annoying to make because I don't have any robot supplies to make it with. I'll throw a picture up on screen so you guys can take a look at the disarray that it's in at the moment. But that will be coming, and eventually that will work. So, thanks for watching this devlog. You know what to do if you like a video. Everybody does. And if you want to check out my Reddit account where I stream, links down below. Links in the GitHub if you want to use it. If anybody would like a how-to video on using Roy, just suggest it down in the comments. I'll totally do that. And hope you have a good day.